Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Scotch Awards, and put your hands together as I welcome Mr. Sameer Kochhar, Chairman, Founder and Creator of Scotch, Reforms Historian and an author of Modinomics in addition to 18 other titles. Welcome to you, Mr. Kochhar.
Well, thank you, Gurshan. It's been a very long day, but it's also been a very inspiring day. I do not think in the recent past, any of our conferences or any conference at all has yielded this kind of a rich output in terms of how people are gearing up for an impending problem, which is going to be a very large problem unless it is handled properly. So that gives us all a lot of thoughts to chew on. It also gives us the job of documenting all of this and make it readily available, perhaps as a blue book that people can take note of and learn from in time for the third wave. As Gurshan mentioned, I'm an author and I'm also a reforms historian. So currently I'm working on a project called The Digital State, which basically talks about how India is going to become an increasingly digital economy. And, having done Digital India after 6 years of Digital India, what is it in the next 4 years India is going to look like? Because given the kind of situation that COVID has created, this is not going away in a hurry. And what India really needs is a job generative growth. That growth has to be not just job generative, these jobs have to be spatially dispersed so that there is some equitable development across the country. And therein lies the role of a connected state and a connected government. All the indication so far is that this is going to be a Herculean task. The reason being that if you look at, during COVID, the way the economic growth has gone and the way Sensex has gone are two opposite directions. So there is a big gap that is being created again between the rich and the poor. We've had 30 years of reform in which 200 million people came out of poverty. During COVID, another 30 million odd have slipped back and there are more that are queuing up. So how do you ensure that these job losses don't happen? How do you ensure that there is a job generation policy? Just yesterday, I was seeing that state of Andhra Pradesh has come out with a new IT policy, and the focus of that policy entirely is job generation. I see more and more states would possibly follow suit to that, because in a work from home environment, in a socially distanced environment, the only way to effectively produce anything or work is through the use of digital systems. And I think a lot of thoughts have come out of today's deliberations, which we are going to collate. And I'll be coming back to each one of you and talking to you and trying to understand that how is it that state, the civil society, Scotch Development Foundation, CEOs Association for Inclusive India, we can all work together towards making sure that no Indian sleeps hungry, no Indian is jobless, everyone's station in life improves. And some examples of all of you having done that have been shortlisted and are being honored today through the very long, drawn-out Scotch Award process, which is the platinum standard of a performance. There is nothing else which comes close to it in terms of honesty, in terms of integrity, in terms of the processes followed, and in terms of acceptability across the spectrum of the political spectrum, of the industry spectrum, of the civil society spectrum. So without any further ado, I would invite Gurshan to take over and start announcing the Scotch Awards for the 74th Summit.
Well, thank you so much. And here we move on with the announcement of Scotch Award. Our first award, silver category for skill, goes to Automotive Skills Development Council for World Bank I-Star program, Mr. Arindam Lahiri, Chief Executive Officer.
Thank you, Sameerji. Thank you, Dr. Gurshan. This is indeed a great honor for Automotive Skill Development Council in contributing to the growth of livelihood generation, exactly what Sameerji was talking about, the challenges. And in this project, we've been able to connect school dropout, especially women candidates, to more future-looking future-looking skills. And the project was, of course, completely funded by World Bank. So we're very happy that this project has been selected for the award. And on behalf of ASDC, we'd like to thank the Scotch Foundation and all the jury members.
Congratulations and God's blessings be added to your work. The minute I read school to employment, I say God bless you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. I now invite Mr. Srinath C.K., Deputy General Manager from Bangalore Electricity Supply Company Limited, Silver Award in Technology for Solar PV Integration with EVSE.
Thank you very much. On behalf of Rajesh Pandey sir, I acknowledge this award and thank to Team Scotch for considering us for this award. This is one of the flagship projects of the state, and definitely this will going to take ease of doing business initiative far more forward. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
The next one also goes to the Government of West Bengal for online issuance of trade license in rural areas. Mr. Rajesh Pandey.
Again, thank you very much. This is one of the unique projects that has been started. The trade license throughout the state has been made online, not only in the urban areas, but also in the rural areas. So I once again thanks the Scott family and Mr. Kocher. Thank you very much.
Pleasure. Congratulations.
Ms. Ayushi Sudan, Deputy Commissioner from Anjaw, Silver in Governance for Mother School Project. Mr. Chandra Mohan Thakur, District Collector from Anuppur, Silver in Technology for Anuppur Smart Classes.
Thank you, Scotch family. Thank you, Mr. Kocher, and thank you, Dr. Gulsharan, for acknowledging the efforts done by Anuppur administration and our startup friends Googling in doing smart classes. This recognition really matters to us, and it gives us the confidence to replicate in other districts of Madhya Pradesh as well. Thank you so much for the honor.
Congratulations. I think we visited Sihor, haven't we?
Yeah, I have relocated to Sihor, right?
Yeah, no, I was just recalling it Gulsharan. I think I've been to Sihor.
Yeah, we have.
Thank you, sir.
Well, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Ms. Kirti Jali, Deputy Commissioner from Kachar for Pushti Nirbhar Silver in Health. Ms. Kirti. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Silver in Defense Production, Mr. S. Krishan Kumar, General Manager for implementation of manufacturing process for Arrestor Hook Platform LCA Navy aircrafts.
Thank you very much, the Scotch team, for having conferred this award on Aircraft Research and Design Center of HAL. In fact, it's a great honor, not only for me personally, for all these youngsters who have done the job. I'm sure this will motivate them to do many more firsts in the country. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Kochar, and all the Scotch team for honoring the government of Maharashtra with this award. The government of India is implementing e-governance program in rural India with the help of new technologies encouraged for direct beneficiary transfer, and funds are being disbursed through public finance management system. As part of this, the Rural Development Department of Government of Maharashtra, in collaboration with Bank of Maharashtra, has developed the application Jilla Parishad Fund Management System for proper management and monitoring of funds. I especially thanks to Honorable Mr. Rajesh Kumar, Additional Chief Secretary, Rural Development Department, and Honorable Mr. Praveen Jain, Deputy Secretary, Rural Development Department, Government of Maharashtra, for their encouragement in time to time. I also thank to Mr. Vijay Kamble, General Manager, Bank of Maharashtra, Mr. Atul Joshi, Deputy General Manager, and Mr. Nitin Bajaj, Assistant General Management, Bank of Maharashtra, and all their technical team. Thanks again. Thanks.
I now invite Mr. S. Srikanth, Chief Information Security Officer from TVS Motor Company for Cyber Security, Silver.
Good evening, sir. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank our doctors in India. A great job in this pandemic. They are working. I have been listening from the morning till later. There are a lot of discussions on the COVID, and thanks everybody thank you all. And thanks to Dr. Samir Kochar and the team. I would like to thank to my company as well as other team members to receiving this great award. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Good job, Mr.
Thank you.
Mr. Rajesh Pandey, Principal Secretary, Gold in Governance, Government of West Bengal for auto renewal of certificate of enlistment through online system for urban areas.
Congratulations.
This is again another project that has been done within this pandemic period. It's a fantastic project to take off, and with your this recognition from the Scotch family, this is going to give us a lot of motivation. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Yet another gold for governance goes to Mr. Rajesh Kumar, Additional Chief Secretary, Liability, Register Payment System, Rural Development Department, Maharashtra.
Thank you once again. This system is developed for the funds which are disbursed from state government to the district panchayat for various works, and the liabilities are created from the panchayat, district panchayat, and accordingly funds are disbursed through these systems. Thanks to SCOTCH team once again. Thank you.
Congratulations. It's a very good project on partnership with the bank.
Sir.
And the highest SCOTCH award in this category, Platinum, goes to Government of West Bengal for Silpa Sathi, single window system, Mr. Rajesh Pandey, Principal Secretary.
Thank you very much. This has been a very tough project for us to implement. We have been working on this project for a year-long time or more. So thank you, SCOTCH family, for recognizing us. Thank you.
Congratulations. And you know, it's so wonderful. You've done so much for MSME. Not many states are doing that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So that was the last award to be announced for SCOTCH Summit 74th edition.
Thank you very much. We'll have a group photo.
Yes. So can I request everyone to switch on your videos? Let's have everyone with their videos on. I can still see a few videos missing. Yeah. So kindly keep smiling with your videos on. Great. This is better. And one more. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So good wishes from SCOTCH, and as it was called, the SCOTCH Parivar. You have been part of it. You have been part of this journey in all this while, and we hope that this journey continues hereinafter as well, because the road to innovation is long and there are always milestones to achieve and be recognized on the way. Wish you all the best and see you soon.